Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to allow apps to access microphone on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to allow your apps to access your microphone on iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy and security. Here's that, tap on it. And here, just scroll down again and look for microphone. Just tap on it. And here you'll see the all apps which you want the Microsoft access. If you want to disable this settings, just tap on it, and then you have cancelled the allowance to access this app to use microphone. So if you want to enable it, so just tap on it and then it will be enabled again. And if you won't found the app which you want to allow the access to your microphone here, so let's see. First go to main settings. In main settings, just scroll to the end and here you will get the option of apps. Tap on it. In apps, just scroll down and look for the app which you want to allow access to your microphone. As I'm going to select the Facebook, so just tap on it. And here you have the microphone settings. You can easily disable or enable it. So that's how you can allow apps to access microphone on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.